Why to make a linear line with a seeder? Just because when you are considering having a production for some commercial purposes, we must go to small equipments that enables less job efforts, ensure that crop maintenance is easier, and that also allows the increase of the production. So, this seeder, presented today, can plant any type of seed and create linear planting. There are two parts that are adjustable. There is this part that allows drawing the next line, because while walking and creating a line, this marker will leave a mark that we will use when going down. When arriving at the end of the line, while switching to the next line and turning, you will always have a mark for the next line. You can adjust the width that exists between two lines, simply by unscrewing the slider and moving it to have broader lines or between lines that are closer according to the crops we want to do. This is the first setting. Well, for that we can use a tape measure, this being the line of sowing. Here is a distance of 20 centimeters. This is a setting that is done once regarding the culture that we will develop. It adjusts the distance that the farmer wants according to the planting density. The second setting is the depth setting. The seed will come here. You can adjust the depth where it will be deposited into the soil. By moving down this piece, it buries deeper and deeper. The general rule is to take 2.5 times above the seed the width of the seed. Do not bury too much, otherwise it's hard to grow. These are the settings that are the simplest with this seeder. Then we can adapt here the disc to the culture that we want to do. To remove a disc, it's very simple. Turn it manually to put it in front of the slots that we have here. There is a set of discs which is based on the culture we want to do. If you want to do, for example, corn, then we take this disc and then introduce it inside. You spin the wheel to stuck it. That's it. Now it is ready for use. Then we put the seeds here. Each seed will go up in the slot, and each time it will come in front of the hole, it goes down and will be buried. So, if you want to use less seed, you can clog a hole in two with an adhesive paper. As a result, you will use less seed if you want more gaps. It is also an additional setting that can be added and tinkering if you want. This is the use of this seeder to get straight seedling.